next couple miles of this ride. As you can see, it's a fairly busy highway. People give you a lot of respect, though, generally around here. Can always be mistakes, but people are used to riders of all kinds on these roads. Very pleasant escape from town. I want to go exploring off the beaten path here. Really countryside. I took part of this road the other day. Comes up to a pretty big hill, I think. And I didn't continue. I don't know what I'll do today. But it's a scenic little stretch of road. Worth riding up for a video for sure. Sunflowers are turned toward us this morning. We'll stop in the shade here for a second and sort of pan around with the camera. Beautiful little area, way off the beaten path. I have no idea where this road ultimately goes. Comes up to a fairly substantial hill, I know that. We'll see what I decide to do. I have no idea. Beautiful morning. Starting to warm up a little bit. Garmin says 4% slope here. Doesn't look like it. It varies a lot. Gets steeper up ahead. I'm going to ride up that a ways and see what's up there. I think the bike's shifting okay today. Okay, I've topped the little hill I was just referring to, and it was a terrible little brute, topping out around 18%. So I'm looking around for you here, and I'm going to turn and go back. This thing gets worse, it looks like. I hope you can see up ahead where this little guy goes. This could be a brute of a climb up ahead, it looks like. And it's already starting to get hot here, and I'd just rather explore and enjoy the place than hammer myself with that kind of climb this morning. So I'm halfway or somewhere near Poggiolo, I believe it is. Beautiful little country road. Climbers, you guys would love it here, I think. So there's lots of suffering to be had. I'm headed back now to the main road. I'll leave the camera on, go down the hill. I just came up. It was pretty severe. This is not it. Shade feels fantastic. Sweating here like a pig. It's cooling me off really well. Should turn the corner and go down now. There we go. Minus 14% showing right here. I can let it go now. A little bumpy. The camera on all the way back to the main road. It won't take long. Probably a minute or two from here. And we're back.